Hi children, today Auntie is going to read you a story called Duck in the Truck, written by Jess Albero. Are you ready? Duck in the Truck. This is the duck driving home in a truck. This is the track which is taking him back. This is the rock struck by the truck. And this is the muck where the truck becomes stuck. These are the feet which jump the duck down into the muck, all yucky and brown. This is the frog who spies from the bush and croaks, "I'll help you give it a push." This is the push of a frog and a duck, and this is the truck still stuck. This is a sheep driving home in a jeep. "Get out of the way," he yells with a beep. This is the quack of an angry duck. "I can't," he snaps. "My truck is stuck." This is the quiet as they think what to do. "Got it," croaks frog. "Sheep can push too." This is the slurp and squelch and suck as the sheep steps slowly through the muck. This is the push of a sheep, a frog and a duck, and this is the truck still stuck. This is the happy, sleepy goat relaxing on his motorboat. This is the ear that hears the shout, "My truck's in the muck and it won't come out." This is the rope, and here's the goat's plan, to tie a knot as tight as they can. This is the push at the rear once again. This is the pull as the boat takes the strain. These are the wheels finally gripping. This is the knot suddenly slipping. This is the truck with the engine on fast, back on the track, unstuck at last. This is the duck driving home in the truck, leaving the frog, the sheep and the goat stuck in the muck.